Welcome back, kids. Today I will teach you the concept of singular and plural, or one and many. Let's understand the meaning of singular. Singular means one. For example, kite, gift, apple, egg. When we talk about more than one, it means plural. For example, kites, gifts, apples. Most of the nouns form their plural by adding s to the singular. For example, flower, flowers, dog, dogs, girl, girls, cat, cats, star, stars, pen, pens, hat, hats, duck, ducks, car, cars. Nouns ending in s, double s, x, sh or ch form their plurals by adding es to their singular. For example, tomato, tomatoes, dress, dresses, fox, foxes, bush, bushes. If the noun ends in y and the y has a consonant before it, its plural is formed by changing y into ies. For example, baby, babies, lady, ladies, fairy, fairies, cherry, cherries, family, families. But if the noun ends in y and the y has a vowel before it, its plural is formed by adding s to the singular. For example, boy, boys, key, keys, monkey, monkeys, toy, toys. Nouns ending in f or fe form their plurals by changing f or fe into ves. For example, leaf, leaves, thief, thieves, knife, knives, calf, calves. Nouns ending in o form their plurals by adding s to the singular. For example, bamboo, bamboos. These nouns form their plurals by a change of the inside vowel. For example, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, foot, feet, woman, women, mouse, mice. The following nouns form their plurals in en. For example, child, children, ox, oxen. Note the plurals of the following compound nouns: son-in-law, sons-in-law, father-in-law, fathers-in-law, maid-servant, maid-servants, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law, passerby, passers-by, stepmother, stepmothers, washerman, washermen,